Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to send money from the USA to Venezuela in 2025. With changing regulations and economic shifts, this is more relevant than ever, especially if you're supporting loved ones or handling international transactions. Let's dive right in. First off, why is this important? In 2025, Venezuela's economic landscape might still involve currency controls and inflation, so sending money safely and efficiently is key. Start by checking the latest U.S. and Venezuelan regulations. The U.S. Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, has rules on transactions to Venezuela, so ensure your transfer complies to avoid any hiccups. Next, choose a reliable method. Options include traditional services like Western Union or MoneyGram, which are straightforward but might have higher fees. For faster and potentially cheaper alternatives, consider digital platforms like PayPal, Wise, or even cryptocurrency exchanges if you're tech-savvy. Remember, in 2025, crypto could be a game-changer for bypassing traditional banking hurdles, but always verify the recipient's ability to access it in Venezuela. Here are the step-by-step basics. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need your ID, the recipient's details, and possibly proof of relationship for larger amounts. Step 2. Sign up or log into your chosen service and link your U.S. bank account or card. Step 3. Enter the amount. Select the currency, probably USD to VES or another stablecoin, and review fees and exchange rates. These can vary, so shop around to minimize costs. Step 4. Confirm and send, then track the transfer for peace of mind. A few tips. Always use secure connections to protect your data, and consider the current exchange rate fluctuations. Tools like Z or Google Finance can help. If you're dealing with high amounts, consult a financial advisor to navigate any tax implications. There you have it, a simple guide to sending money across borders in 2025. It's all about staying informed and choosing wisely. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.